Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, you're guided to connect deeply with yourself. You are guided to connect deeply with your own beauty and connect with this earth family, acknowledging that we are all here meant to shine our beautiful light out into the world. There's enough for us and there's enough for everyone. And in this meditation, you feel your divinity and breathe deeply into that, so deeply that you feel a peace with yourself. I hope you enjoy today's meditation. Let's drop into our meditation. Light a candle, play your favorite relaxing music, and turn your gaze inward. We set the intention of allowing this meditation to fill us with love, to fill us with self-acceptance. We choose to sit in the space of receiving love, staying in the flow of love in this meditation today. We take a deep breath into our heart. As you take a deep breath and exhale, allow your physical body to rest, to relax, and to release. Arrive in this present moment, open, receptive, and ready to nurture the relationship you have with yourself. We feel ourselves connected to the earth beneath us. We can visualize the beautiful cord of connection to the center of the earth. In your mind's eye, kind of playfully, like a child, imagine what this cord may look like if we were connected down into the center of the earth. What would that look like? Paint it with your imagination, this cord of earth connection. And breathe with the earth, inhaling and exhaling, giving and receiving with the earth. Feel your sense of belonging here. You are planted here on the earth for a reason, to belong, to grow, to shine your beautiful colors onto the earth like a flower. Imagine yourself like a big, beautiful flower, deeply rooted into the earth and shining bright for others to enjoy your scent, your colors, your beauty. And feel your connection to source energy. Visualize how these sun's rays fall down to your leaves and your petals, and you absorb this sunshine. And this sunshine allows you to grow even more, to shine even brighter. In your mind's eye, see yourself as this beautiful flower. As you inhale, your flower expands, grows brighter and stronger. As you exhale, you sink deeper into the earth where you belong, resting, rooted. In your mind's eye, you can look out upon the horizon and see all the other beautiful flowers of our humanity, of our human race. Here we are, this beautiful garden, each flower shining bright, each flower beautiful, different, unique, glowing and growing. We know that it's possible for every single flower to shine bright. We know it's possible for every single flower to have what it needs to grow and shine bright. And here we are, this beautiful garden of Earth family. And in this moment, we choose to be with the beauty of ourselves. We choose to nurture our beauty, and in doing so, we are helping to grow this garden. We are shining a light for others to follow. Our fragrance and beauty is inspiring others to find their way, to sink into the earth, to grow and expand. Thank yourself for being here right now, in this moment, in this place, in this experience of life. Here is where you are meant to be. In your mind's eye, notice what beautiful words you could say to yourself. What affirmations do you have when you gaze upon the flower that you are? Seeing only the beauty, seeing only the goodness, seeing only the divinity that you are. What could you affirm for yourself today? Tune in to the wisdom of your heart and notice what words bubble up for you to become aware of. We affirm together, I am enough. I have everything I need. My life is filled with goodness and abundance. I feel grateful for the opportunity to live this life. Everything I need flows my way with ease. There is so much here. There's so much to share. There is enough for everyone. What support can I offer to someone else today? What can I share with my Earth family? Bring your awareness back to your heart. Feel this flower that lives within you as you. Take this flower with you. Take one more deep breath and allow this flower energy to fill all of you in this physical, present moment's reality. Feel yourself cleansed and renewed, grounded and rooted, ready for whatever may come your way. Feel the peace within yourself. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move your way toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes of a free write journaling time where you can reflect upon your meditation, access deeper inner knowing, express, and just be free with yourself, developing, nurturing that relationship with you. See you next time. Much love.